Have you ever liked a girl who just didn't seem to feel the same way? She's out there living her life and you're stuck thinking about her. What if I told you there's a way to shift that dynamic, to make her feel the magnetic pull of your absence? In this video, we're diving deep into the psychology of attraction and giving you 7 powerful strategies to make any woman miss you, even if she doesn't seem interested right now. These aren't your typical dating tips. We're going to rewire her perception of you from the inside out. This will work whether you are in a relationship or talking with a woman. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal the biggest mistake guys make that actually pushes women away instead of drawing them closer. Get ready to take notes. The first step to making her miss you is counterintuitive. You need to disappear. I'm not talking about ghosting her entirely, but strategic silence is key. When you're constantly in her face, texting, liking her posts, you become predictable. There's no mystery, no space for her to wonder about you. Distance, on the other hand, creates desire. When you step back, you're not just giving her room to breathe, you're giving her room to think about you. She'll start to notice your absence, and that's when the questions begin. What are you up to? Who are you with? This is where her imagination starts working in your favor. She'll naturally start to picture you living your best life, potentially even with other women. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and fake a whole social life. The point is, the less she knows, the more her mind will fill in the blanks. The real magic of no contact is that it shifts the power dynamic. When you're always available, you're essentially saying, my whole world revolves around you. But when you pull back, you subtly communicate that you have your own life, your own priorities, and she's just one piece of the puzzle. This realization is crucial because it forces her to see you as a valuable, high-status man. You're not chasing after her, you have options. And that, my friend, is incredibly attractive. Chapter 2. Have an interesting and fun-filled life. This is where social media becomes your wingman. During your no-contact period, you need to actively showcase that you're out there living your best life. Think about the things you're passionate about, the activities that bring you joy, and start doing them. Go on adventures, try new restaurants, learn a new skill. The key is to be genuinely engaged and excited about your life. Now here's the important part. Document it. Post pictures and stories on social media that highlight these experiences. Don't go overboard and make it seem forced. Authenticity is key. The goal here isn't to make her jealous, although a little jealousy never hurt anyone. The real aim is to make her feel like she's missing out on something special. When she sees you laughing with friends, exploring new places, pursuing your passions, she'll naturally start to imagine herself by your side, sharing those experiences with you. Remember, people are drawn to positivity and excitement. By showcasing your vibrant life, you're not just reminding her of your existence, you're making her realize what she's missing by not being a part of it. Chapter 3. Don't fall for attention trap. Here's the thing about women. Even when we're not consciously trying to get your attention, we're sending out subtle signals to see if you're still interested. This is especially true when you pull back. She might start posting more frequently on social media, sharing cryptic quotes that seem directed at you, or even liking your old photos. These are all classic attention-seeking tactics, and it's easy to fall for them. But here's the cold, hard truth. Engaging with these tactics only gives her the validation she's looking for without her having to put in any real effort. You're essentially rewarding her for doing the bare minimum. So, what should you do instead? Ignore it completely. Don't like her posts, don't comment, and definitely don't slide into her DMs. I know it's tough, especially when you see her name pop up on your phone, but trust me, this is crucial. By not reacting, you're sending a powerful message. You're not easily swayed by her games. You have standards, and she needs to do more than just bat her eyelashes to get your attention. This doesn't mean you have to be rude or disrespectful. If you happen to bump into her in person, be polite and cordial, but don't linger. Keep it brief and move on. Remember, your time and attention are valuable, and you're not going to waste them on someone who's not willing to meet you halfway. Next, make her jealous. Now let's talk about a little something called strategic socializing. Remember how we talked about her imagination working in your favor? Well, it's time to add some fuel to that fire. One of the most effective ways to make a woman miss you is to make her a little bit jealous. I'm not talking about going out of your way to make her feel insecure. It's more about subtly reminding her that you're attractive, you're social, and you have options. Start by going out and enjoying yourself with friends, both male and female. Don't be afraid to post pictures of yourself having a good time, surrounded by interesting people. The key here is to be natural and authentic. Don't force it or try to make it seem like you're trying too hard. When she sees these pictures, her mind will automatically start to wonder, who are these people? Are any of them potential love interests? Is he over me? These thoughts might be fleeting, but they plant a seed of doubt and curiosity in her mind. The beauty of this strategy is that it works on a subconscious level. You're not explicitly telling her that you're moving on, but you're subtly showing her that you're not sitting around waiting for her. This creates a sense of urgency and makes her realize that she might lose you for good if she doesn't act soon. Chapter 5. Become unforgettable, creating lasting memories. Have you ever noticed how certain scents, songs, or places can instantly transport you back to a specific memory? Our brains are wired to associate experiences with emotions, and you can use this to your advantage. The goal here is to create positive, memorable experiences that she'll associate with you long after you've left the room. This doesn't have to be anything grand or expensive. It's about the little things, the inside jokes, the shared moments that make your time together unique. One way to do this is to be playful and fun when you're around her. Tease her gently, make her laugh, and don't be afraid to show your goofy side. Humor is a powerful tool for creating connection and making yourself memorable. Another effective strategy is to give her a nickname. It doesn't have to be anything cheesy or over the top. It could be something simple and personal that only you call her. This creates a sense of intimacy and makes her feel special. The key is to be consistent. Every time you interact with her, make an effort to create a positive and memorable experience. Over time, she'll start to associate these good feelings with you, and that's when she'll really start to miss your presence. Chapter 6. Teach her something you know. Listen, if you are finding my advices valuable, show some support by liking the video and hit that subscribe button. We have a treasure of knowledge for navigating the complexities of relationships. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. Women are naturally drawn to men who can teach them something new. It's not just about the information itself. It's about the feeling of expanding their horizons and growing as individuals. Think about your own passions and areas of expertise. What are you genuinely knowledgeable about? It could be anything from cooking a specific dish to playing a musical instrument to understanding a particular subject matter. Find opportunities to share this knowledge with her in a way that feels natural and organic. Don't force it or make it seem like you're trying to impress her. Just be yourself and let your passion shine through. For example, if you're a great cook, offer to make her dinner one night and teach her a few of your signature recipes. If you're a musician, play her a song you've been working on and explain the inspiration behind it. The point is to create a shared experience that's both enjoyable and enriching for her. Every time she encounters that particular topic or activity in the future, she'll be reminded of you and the time you spent together. Chapter 7. Mastering the Art of Emotional Control. So, you followed all the steps and she's finally reaching out. She's texting you more, liking your posts, maybe even suggesting getting together. This is where most guys make a critical mistake. They overreact. They get excited. They start texting back immediately. They shower her with attention and affection. They essentially undo all the hard work they've put in by reverting back to their old eager selves. Here's the thing. Women can smell desperation a mile away, and it's a major turnoff. When you come across as overly invested, you take away the challenge, the mystery, the excitement of the chase. Instead of jumping at her every beck and call, remain calm, cool, and collected. Don't ignore her completely, but don't be overly available either. Respond to her texts, but don't feel the need to reply immediately. If she suggests getting together, be open to it, but don't clear your entire schedule for her. The key is to convey that you're interested, but you're not desperate. You have a life outside of her, and she needs to earn your time and attention. This might seem counterintuitive, but trust me, it's the key to keeping her engaged and coming back for more. Do you believe that using psychological tactics to make someone miss you is ethical? Even if they initially show no interest, why or why not? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, attracting a woman isn't about showering her with attention, it's about creating a connection that runs deeper. If you implement these strategies, you'll shift the dynamic, create intrigue, and make her realize what a valuable catch you truly are. She'll start to see you in a new light, a light that makes her miss your presence when you're not around. And that's when the real magic happens. If you want to know why your avoidant ex wants to stay friends and what you should about it, check out our video on the top right corner. So go out there, be your most confident self, and watch as she can't help but be drawn to your irresistible energy.